Hi guys, all our guests have arrived. It's that time of the year again, the most exciting time, Platinum event. This room is going to be full of all our Platinum members now. The team is already behind, someone's in the camera, someone's fixing the PPT. So, in this vlog, we are going to take you through these 2 days कि हम behind the scenes क्या करते हैं when our grand Platinum event happens. Are you ready? Let's go. So, we just got done with lunch. काफ़ी अच्छा लगा to see all our members, sit together, interact. The 3 sessions were starting with Manish sir, and then we went to production के 2 parts. First was with Rajas and second was with Akshat.
So day one at production was fun. बहुत लोगों को doubts थे about what gear to invest in, how to invest in, किस तरह के lights are necessary for what kind of podcast, how you can start with absolutely no gear. So we have it all covered at our platinum session.
बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. बहुत सारे लोग थे, बहुत सारे मेंबर्स एंड दे वर ऑल वेरी हंग्री टू लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम अस. हम लोगों ने भी सारे सीक्रेट्स हमारे स्पेल आउट किए इन दिस सेशन एंड जो भी कॉन्सेप्चुलाइजिंग, डायरेक्शन एंड कंटेंट कटिंग रिलेटेड होता है, एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम बेसिक्स टू एडवांस, हमने वो सब कुछ कवर किया इन दिस सेशन. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस सेशन फॉर मी वाज द Q&A सेशन, जहाँ पे सब लोग बहुत ही एंथुजियाज्म के साथ बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे थे.
So everything from what we do right now with 7 cameras, what we used to do with like 3 cameras, the mistakes that we've made, how to avoid them and how to make sure that you get the best possible outcome from whatever gear you're starting with, everything was covered in day one.
To take everyone through our journey कि हम लोगों ने last 6 years में क्या कुछ figure out किया है, and to put it out for all the platinum members, that is the reason why I like what I do.
And now we have the next few sessions, so very excited. Come.
Day 1 पे when I was explaining YouTube, मुझे पता नहीं था कि लोगों को इतना कुछ नहीं पता होता YouTube के बारे में, from channel creation to monetization, कैसे हर एक वीडियो में green होना चाहिए, to everything.
So we had participants flying over from entire nation. We had a few people who were also crossed some boundaries of the country and come.
They were very curious to know how actually YouTube पे सिर्फ वीडियो क्रिएट करने के अलावा और क्या क्या हो सकता है.
When we entered और हम लोग ने हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन शुरू किया और सब लोग इतने इंटरेस्ट से सुनने लगे अबाउट एडिटिंग, क्योंकि हर किसी को एडिटिंग सीखना है और अगर पॉडकास्टिंग शुरू करना है तो उसके लिए एडिटिंग इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग.
And I really liked that participants were sincere about podcasting and they have to learn these skills. These are skills which will shape their podcasting career.
हम चाहते हैं कि हर किसी का ग्रोथ 100K to 2 million to 10 million हो. टीम बियर बाइसेप्स का मिशन ही यही है कि हर कोई एडिटिंग के बारे में सीखे, हर कोई एल्गोरिदम सीखे.
काफ़ी नुआंसेस, काफ़ी इंसाइट्स हमने शेयर किए. एंड जब मैंने फेसबुक के बारे में बताया, उसका रेवेन्यू लोगों को बताया, तो वहाँ से जो रिएक्शन है वो काफ़ी शॉकिंग था.
These 2 days gave me time to interact with people, understand their unique problems, understand their personal problems with regards to content creation, with regards to podcasting, and solving them has always been a very mind stimulating thing for me.
बाहर बहुत रश है, सो हम अंदर ही रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं. The studio is empty, members are done with their day 1 और अभी after each day हम अपने सब rooms open up कर देते हैं to all our members to go meet the team members, ask one-on-one questions. तो अभी वो चल रहा है सब rooms में. तब तक मैं आपको बता देती हूँ what happened today and what people had to say. Basically आज हमने उन्हें बताया about reaching out to guests, the 3 steps of production, which is pre-production, content cutting and post-production or editing. And हमने उन्हें बताया about YouTube का master class was one of the favorite sessions of all of the guests. और हमें लगा था कि पूरा दिन इतना notes लेने के बाद, इतना information आने के बाद, इतना ज्ञान सुन के वो लोग exhaust हो जाएंगे by the end of the day. But I couldn't believe कि जब भी हम conclude कर रहे थे तो people were like, अच्छा हो गया, आज इतने ही थे. They were just so happy to learn. So it shows कि ये लोग में एक्चुअली पैशन है एंड आई होप एवरीवन अचीव्स ग्रेट सक्सेस इन देयर ओन पॉडकास्ट. हमारे टीम मेंबर्स ने भी काफ़ी अच्छे से उन्हें सब इंटरनल सीक्रेट्स बता दी. हम पीछे अपने आप को ऐसे ही देख रहे थे कि भाई ये रिवील करना था क्या. जो भी अनरिलीज्ड पॉडकास्ट है, जो भी इंटरनल सीक्रेट्स है जो हम 8-9 सालों से इंटरनली बना रहे, वो सब उनको प्रिंट करके एज शीट्स आज दी गई थी. सो आई फेल्ट इट वॉज अ ग्रेट day 1. After the session also, जब we were all out there for high tea and snacks, everyone was just so happy with how the day went, and I think अभी सब questions पूछ रहे हैं and they're super charged for day 2. So we're also excited, they're also excited. Hope we have a great day 2 as well tomorrow. See you all tomorrow. Hello, it is day 2. Abhi just lunch karke everyone is going inside. I'm just looking at all the desserts we have today. Strawberries are in season, gajar is in season, winters hai. Mud pudding, chocolate is always in season. So yeah, come, I'm just gonna show you जहाँ पे हमारे members ने just lunch किया, and most of them have gone back in and the sessions have started. So let me quickly fill you in with आज क्या क्या हुआ. सुबह everyone came, they had a lot to digest. Everyone poured in with so much excitement from yesterday. कितने लोग ने बताया कि वो लोग ने घर पे जाके भी they did a lot of unlearning, a lot of note making and have come very prepared today, this morning. And now they got to understand what actually needs to be done to grow. So it was great to hear all of that feedback. And हमारे थोड़े sessions हुए. We started off with this audience favorite, which I like to call the mind-blowing session, where the mind literally blows with all the facts that they hear. It was by a social media team.
हमने एक सीक्रेट सॉस के बारे में बात किया, जहाँ पे हमने उन्हें ये बताया कि वीडियोस अपलोड किए बिना पुराने वीडियोस से कैसे आप बेटर वे में अर्न कर पाते हो. एंड वो जैसे ही उन्होंने सुना, दे हैड एन एक्सप्रेशन कि हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, अगर हमने एक नया वीडियो अपलोड किया ही नहीं तो पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे.
हम कुछ भी सीक्रेट्स, हम कुछ भी चीज़ें छुपा के नहीं करेंगे. हम किसी भी चीज़ का हमारे आगे पर्दा नहीं है कि नहीं आ रही है तो हमारी चीज़ें हम शेयर नहीं करेंगे. हमको जितना आता है हम भर भर के वो चीज़ें सबको सिखाते हैं.
आप यहाँ पे 2 दिन सब सीख के तो जा रहे हो, और उसके बाद अगर आपने वो काम नहीं किया तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें भी बुरा लगता है कि हमारी जो नॉलेज है वो शायद कहीं ना कहीं वेस्ट हो रही है.
हमने ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स देखे हैं जहाँ पे हमने कुछ सिखाया, हमने कुछ उन्हें समझाया, एंड ओवर टाइम वो लोग ग्रो किए. आज कुछ काफ़ी ऐसे स्किल हाउस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो 100K पे हैं, मिलियन पे हैं, उससे भी ज़्यादा हैं. सो वो जब वो रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं ना तो काफ़ी सही लगता है.
डोंट थिंक कि मैं आगे जाके करूँगी या आगे जाके करूँगा, या मेरे पास ये इक्विपमेंट्स होंगे तो ही मैं करूँगा, या मेरे पास ऐसी टीम होगी तो ही मैं करूँगा या करूँगी.
सीख तो लिया, अब एग्जीक्यूट करना स्टार्ट करो, क्योंकि वही वो पार्ट है जहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स छोड़ देते हैं. सब कुछ सुन लिया, सारा ज्ञान ले लिया, ये सब अपनी जगह है, लेकिन असली लर्निंग्स, असली चीज़ें आपको एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम पे भी मिलेंगी. एंड स्किल हाउस आपकी पूरी जर्नी में आपके साथ है, लेकिन स्टार्ट तो आपको ही करना पड़ेगा, एंड करना आपको पड़ेगा.
फिर उसके बाद हुआ अबाउट मनी मेकिंग, विच इज़ everyone's favorite topic to discuss. Ultimately they want the fact check. तो we had people talk about business and money making.
जब हमारा पॉडकास्टिंग का कोर्स बना था, हमने सोचा कि यार इज दिस नॉलेज ओनली इनफ. जो हम स्टैंडर्ड रिकॉर्डेड कोर्सेज कर रहे हैं, हम भी जब पॉडकास्टिंग सीख रहे थे, आफ्टर 3-4 years ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें खुद गलतियाँ करके सीखी, एंड वी रियलाइज दिस फॉर्मेट इज नॉट एज ईजी एज इट लुक्स. तो हमने सोचा कि लेट्स प्लान समथिंग कि जिसमें हम लोगों को रिकॉर्डेड कोर्सेज के अलावा भी एक एक्सटेंडेड सपोर्ट दें, और उनको 1 साल भर के लिए अगर हम कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो दे विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्प फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम. हमारे कई सारे प्लैटिनम मेंबर्स हैं जिन्होंने अपने चैनल पे 100K सब्सक्राइबर्स तक हिट किए राइट आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग आवर प्रोग्राम, एंड दीज पीपल आर डूइंग नीश पॉडकास्ट ऑल्सो. सो कोई एग्रीकल्चर में पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है, कोई ई-कॉमर्स में पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है, कोई ओवरऑल करियर बिल्डिंग में पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है. सो थ्रू दिस प्रोग्राम वी हैव ट्राइड टू इम्पैक्ट as many lives as we can, and in 2025 we want to take a step further कि हम इस प्रोग्राम को और ज़्यादा एक्सक्लूसिव बनाएं, इसको और ज़्यादा इंटरेक्टिव बनाएं, और इसमें जिन भी लोगों के साथ में हम काम करें, they have to be a success story in their podcasting journey.
उसके बाद was by our very own Manish sir.
So we just completed our third Via Bicep Skill House Platinum podcasting event, and it was a 2-day in-person sessions with a lot of members. So I was really glad with the enthusiasm that they were in with. Teaching is one of the best things that I have found that I enjoy. So I live for teaching, and I had a lot of joy, and I will have a lot of joy teaching all my life. So that's what I enjoy, and that's what I liked about everything that I did. So it is very important for you to keep following up with Team Via Biceps Skill House, and make the most of the opportunity that you have in your hand, and become a very good podcaster.
They did a long mindset coaching session with him, and after that अभी बस सबने lunch कर लिया है. Everyone's tummies are full, brains are full of information, and now time to fulfill their hearts also. Now is a time where Ranveer also comes and he'll do the session. So come join us.
Welcome to Skill House. Thank you for being here, guys. Hi guys, I'm Harsha and I'm here to record all the testimonials of the members that we've had in the Platinum event for the past 2 days. The session was a power-packed session and it's now time to get real-time feedback and reviews about the members that we had.
I must say it's an incredible journey.
It really, makes you experience the little tits and bits of, how the journey happens of a podcaster.
Which is not just learning, but it has given me a complete upgrade of how the entire podcasting ecosystem works.
The 2 days experience were just amazing.
And besides that, a lot of things into the technical part of it, as in the video editing, the angles and the small, nitty-gritties of it.
Once you get insights from the people who are actually working on ground day in and day out, there's nothing like that.
Thank you all of you for having the SOPs for every small thing. That is really helpful.
Every part, there's a learning. I love the mentors I have here.
And the team is so warm and welcoming. So I think that was the best part. That was the best ROI for 2 days.
Manish Pandey is the one who comes with the kind of experience where he's seen podcasting with a 360-degree angle and a view. And that's something, inspired me also a lot.
The tips and tricks of YouTube actually, it blew my mind.
श्रद्धा मैम का बहुत अच्छा था, यानी कि the way she created the YouTube thing, उन्होंने बताया.
I think the way Shraddha and the team taught us about YouTube.
Nobody wants to share their own secrets. Everybody says, come to our course or take up the course and all that. But hota kuch nahi hai. I really appreciate you guys that, you have everything inbuilt. Whether it's a new joinee or an experienced person.
How was your first interaction with Ranveer live?
Oh, it was lovely. Ranveer is actually the kind of person that we've been seeing him always on social media.
I really enjoy him, being childlike curious and then, making the guests very comfortable, and then he, switches off to a adult mode, a serious a seeker, and then, things really opens up for the guests.
We have been learning from Ranveer that how he has also become an expert. Still he learns.
The moment he entered, first it took me 3-4 seconds. Acha, ye wohi insaan hai na. I see him almost every day on the screen, this, that and all. Doing so much at such a good level and still being humble is something that I have learned from your team and specifically from your top management, which includes Ranveer also. So that I was like, yeah, this is, apart from my learning, this is something that I am definitely taking home.
Overall, the experience was very good. We've had good feedback from our audiences and from our learners. We hope to see you again in our next Platinum session coming soon.
Okay, bye. So yeah, everyone's leaving. Office abhi almost pura khali ho chuka hai. It was a great day. This day is usually always, सबका favorite होता है, Ranveer आता है. And the main questions that all these guys have, our members have, they get to ask Ranveer. They don't see Ranveer as the host of the Ranveer show, but they see Ranveer as a fellow podcaster. और उनसे जो questions भी पूछे जाते हैं are very based on how the mindset of a podcaster should be. वो उनकी प्रेप कैसी होती है, सीक्रेट सॉसेस की, अगर बहुत टफ गेस्ट आ गया तो उनको क्रैक कैसे करते हैं, और ये सब इंसाइट्स ना सिर्फ वो 4 दीवारों के अंदर ही मिलते हैं. सो आई एम श्योर एवरीवन हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. ऑफिस खाली है. ऑल गेस्ट्स हैव नाउ मूव्ड ऑन, आइदर टेकन देयर फ्लाइट्स बैक टू वेयर दे फ्रॉम, या अपने अपने घर चले गए. सिर्फ आई थिंक मैं और हमारी सोशल मीडिया टीम है. By the way, shout out to my social media team as well. Very hardworking. They were there. The person behind this camera, Harsha, who manages social media at Skill House. She's been here first person in the morning and last person to leave. And of course, हमारे all star जो मनीष सर है वो भी अभी I think शायद नीचे ही होंगे. Usually over these 2 events, people have a lot of interactions with him. He is the star. ये 2 event के जो head coach होते हैं वो I think मनीष सर के ही होते हैं. And he's such a renowned personality in the content creation industry. उन्होंने एक statement बोला that he wants to make India the content creation capital of the world. So I'm sure by doing more of such events, this will happen soon. This thought will come to life. This brings me to encourage you too कि आपको अगर इतनी सी भी इच्छा है to start content creation, do check out all the courses we have, all the support we have to encourage people who want to do content creation. We want more content creators to come out there, put their talent out there, and depending on whatever you want to do, हमने काफ़ी सारे courses offer किए हैं. Everything will be in the description below. We have a course on Instagram, video editing, podcasting, monetizing content creation, graphic designing, and soon to launch courses which I can't name now, and events like these where we call people to our office and give you access to all the secrets that go behind creating India's biggest podcast as well. So yeah, coming back to making India the content creation capital of the world, अभी तो सिर्फ थर्ड पॉडकास्टिंग इवेंट था, ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. Here are too many more. So that was it. Mahima Thakur signing off. See you in the next one.